What is up to the JB Squad? Today I'm back with another video, and I'm just gonna get right to it. I'm gonna show you how to make edible slime. So, set the camera up. Ooh. Okay. All right. So what you need is you're gonna need any type of candy, okay? I only got a little bit of these left, and that's all I'm gonna show y'all. I gotta show you guys. I want to eat them so bad, but I'm gonna eat my slime. Guys, that's it. We need cornstarch. But we got any. If we don't got cornstarch, that's a big failure. Like really a big failure. We don't got cornstarch. Yeah. Ow! Guys, the big news is I had to climb all the way up there to get that cornstarch. It's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. First I'm gonna get some my water. My mouth dry. Ooh! I needed that. But how am I supposed to get that? Oh, and before anything, you need a bowl. Oh, I got a little bowl. I'm just gonna use this little tiny bowl. Guys, I need to get some. Oh, that was stressful. There you go. But before I get into it, I'm gonna make sure we're gonna need different cornstarch. Yep, we're all good. We're gonna use this. It's like cornstarch. And always what is this? Oh, hey, it's not as dirty. Okay, that's good. So all you need for this this recipe to make slime is you need a microwave. You definitely need a microwave because I got a microwave right here, right beside me. Yeah. So what you need is a bowl. How many candies you like, but they have to be able to melt. They can't be hard candies or nothing. You need a spoon to mix it up, and some cornstarch. So first, what you want to do is you want to peel your candy. It can be any type of candy, because the candy that I'm using is Now and Laters. They're like the sour version. Because I love sour stuff. Sour stuff is my life. I love sour stuff. Okay, this is a little difficult. Okay, got it. You want to place it right in your bowl. So I got another one. Place it in your bowls and just like so. And then what you want to do is you want to place it in the microwave for 1 minute. So when like okay guys, that went wrong. That went totally wrong. Okay, precaution. Do not put hard candies in your microwave, because mine just like flickered like it was like a thundering storm. Like, I'm doing that again. Guys, this was a fail. Oh my god. How is gonna work? I just made a sandwich out of it. Look. That dancing. That's sour. But we won't let that get the best of us, guys. We're gonna do something else. I don't even know what I'm gonna do right now. Anyway, like this. How much for speeches, guys? Alright. Okay. Okay. Woo! Guys, I'm just getting a little snack. Don't mind me. Ow, ow, ow. I'm just getting a Rice Krispie treat. Guys, I'm gonna make up another plan on what should I do. Oh, I know what we can do. I'm gonna just keep mushing this. So we can turn it to like some slime, like some like thick slime. And it's like it's edible, and it colors your hands. Because my hands are a little bit pink. You probably can't see it on my finger, but my hand's a little bit pink. And this is turning into a pretty slime. See, I told y'all guys. I'll think of something. But yeah, it pokes too, but it doesn't make that sound in regular slime. Guys, what about you can take this to school if you have the little like a little packet for you so you won't lose it. Man, if my teacher got this, she'll be like, "What is this?" I'll be like, "Slime." She'll be like, "No, it isn't." I'm like, "No, I meant candy." She'll be like, "No, it isn't." I'm like, "Yes, it is." And she gonna try it. She gonna be like, "Ooh, how did you make this?" All that stuff. Well, it stretches, but sometimes it breaks apart. And that's how you make slime. Look at it, guys. See, I told you. I'll come with something. So it's like a clayish I'll call this, what does it smell? It smells my bubble gum, my blue raspberry, bubblegum slime. It's actually a good name for it. Alright guys, let's go. I'm about to go to the living room. I'm about to put my slime. My new slime that I just made. I made by myself. No one helped me. So, guys, I'm thinking about pranking my brother. What do y'all think? Comment down below. You could lick it if you want something sweet before lunch. But it is a little sticky though. It is a little sticky. So you gotta like be careful with it while you're in school. This could be a good life hack though. It turns into this little pretty like purplish color. Purple violet, like a violet color. I'm gonna show y'all guys. It's like you probably can't see it, but it's like a purplish violetish color. And it's really pretty. I didn't know pink and bluish greenish would make purple, like a violet. Guys, my brightness is all the way up. I don't know why it's not brightening up my camera. So guys, comment down below. Should I eat this? Or should I keep it as slime and bring it to school and let my friends play with it? It is really sticky though. I also got this. This is, hold up, y'all probably can't see it like that well. I got a Rice Krispie treat. It got M&M's, milk chocolate M&M's in it. Guys, I really want to eat this, but I can't because it's like slime now. So how am I supposed to like eat it if it's like slime related? Like, you know what I'm saying, you dig? Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Comment down below, should I eat this or should I keep it as slime? But until further ado, I'll see y'all next week. Bye.